Hi everyone, today I am here with the recipe of grilled chicken. That is a must-try dish. Come, let's cook together. First, in a bowl, add 1 small piece of ginger, 1 small onion, 2 chilies, 1 small tomato, about 10 members of garlic. Now we are going to add masalas, that is 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, 2 tablespoons of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, add salt as per taste, add 2 tablespoons of curd and make a fine paste of it. Make sure the paste should be thick, it should not be watery. If needed, you can add some water while making the paste. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. Here I am using a full size chicken that weighs less than 2 kg. If you are using full size chicken, make sure to cut deep into the flesh of the chicken so that masalas get mixed up with the chicken well. Apply all the paste all over the chicken and marinate it about 7 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, I am going to grill the chicken. So before that, I am using 1 boiled potato and 1 boiled egg, applied with some chili powder, a little bit of salt, and filled it with in the chicken. Now I am going to grill the chicken in oven. It takes about 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. The temperature should be 230 degrees Celsius and the mode is both up and down, that is the heat should be from both the sides. Here the tasty grilled chicken is ready, which is a must try dish and hope you would love it.